the thing, there's a big difference in terms of vegan and vegetarian. Okay? So let's be more very specific and be more strict with that one. Okay? So some of you guys bring their ingredients, which is supposed to be everything's going to be made scratch. Excuse me. Okay, that's only a piece of advice and based on my observation as well. Guys, first thing that you always, my first question is, in terms of food, if you're going to see a food, which part of your senses will going to be more appetizing right away? Eyes, right? So you must always come up with an idea that's really appetizing in your eyes. Okay? Then one more advice. If you go into check your plate, there's always a lining on it. So it just only means that all of the food must just be only inside of the line. If you don't see any line inside of your plate, make an imaginary line. Okay? That's next thing. Okay, with regards to the taste, we're really looking for something that's really going to emphasize your main dish. Just like, for example, you really want to the beetroot turns out to become, it will going to keep off the entire taste of your entire dish. So always make sure the taste of beetroot is always present and will always be number one. Okay? These a lot of you guys have a really big potential. I suggest always study very hard with this one. And then I think you really need someone who's going to mentor you more, who's going to encourage you more, and that's it. Someday you're going to be back more stronger. Okay? That's it.